Hey, welcome back. Today is December 21st, Monday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, as well as a very quick rundown of the overall crypto markets and how that could affect Yearn Finance. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets. Now, I have already talked about the markets in my previous 2 posts today, but I'll still do a quick rundown here. Bitcoin dominance trending upwards while Bitcoin price action is pulling back. This is a more dangerous combination because this tells me if this trend continues, altcoins are going to be bleeding out more than Bitcoin price action. And as we can see here across the board, we do see quite a bit of altcoins are taking a lot more of a hit. So I'll be very careful if this trend continues. Bitcoin price action, I do see possible support here on the 12-hour 21 simple moving average. That is my most conservative support here for Bitcoin price action, so I do expect it to at least bounce off the 12-hour 21 if it gets there. You guys let me know what you think. So now let's take a look into Yearn Finance, YFIUSD. First things first, I do want to note that Binance is having a little bit of trouble actually updating data according to TradingView here. So this may or may not be the most updated data, but this is the chart that I always use. So I'm going to go off this chart instead. You guys let me know what your chart looks like instead, if it looks any different. But I'm going off my own chart here, and from what I see on the daily time frame, that this is actually looking pretty bearish now because as the price action is actually going downwards, the seller volume is actually picking up, and we have about an hour until this daily candle close. So let's see how this daily candle closes, but right now, it's looking a little more dangerous than what it seems yesterday, because yesterday on my bearish case scenario, I did not want to see the 25K being broken or the bottom trend line of this falling rising wedge being broken as well. So if this daily candle actually closes below this 25K and this bottom trend line, then I would really have to readjust this formation, and possible more downward price action is expected if the price action here on the daily candle closes below this bottom trend line. The next level of support I'll be looking at right now, at least, it looks like the 50 simple moving averages here. That has not been touched yet though, however. So I do expect it to be some pretty good support, because if it has not been touched, chances are it will get a pretty good bounce off of it from the first time it actually taps it. So this is something I'm paying attention to, but nevertheless, I would still be very cautious here. Now let's take a look into the 12-hour time frame. If the 50 simple moving average on the daily time frame does not hold, then I'll be looking at the 12-hour 200 simple moving average, which is pretty flat, about 21.5K. Let's see if there are any other possible moving averages down there as well. 22.4K is the 6-hour 200. The 4-hour, no. 1 hour, not as well. I do see that the 3-day 21 simple moving average is coming up as well, currently about 21K. So quite a bit of moving averages that could be acting as support even below 25K. But if I actually have a position, I don't know. I'm not sure if I want to wait all the way until one of these possible supports to actually make a decision. But that is just me. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. So currently looking at this daily candle here, this could be a one-off wick right here, just depending on how this daily candle closes. or it could be a confirmed break of this rising wedge pattern, and I would actually have to either adjust the bottom trend line or see if another formation actually fits this price action here. But I do think this is this daily candle close and possibly the next daily candle will be very important deciding factor on where this price action could go in the short-term future. Now, let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario, if this daily candle close can actually close above this bottom trend line right here, that would be a little bit more optimistic, but not really sure if it would still depend on the next daily candle. So this daily candle and the next daily candle will be very key in deciding on what and where the price action is going to be doing. And that is the bullish case scenario. If the daily candle can actually close above this bottom trend line right here, then there's a little bit more of a shot in actually ending up still within this rising wedge pattern, as I can see that this may just be a one-off sporadic movement. But if it actually starts closing below this bottom trend line and the next daily candle close would start from the bottom trend line here, then I'll be a little more pessimistic about where the price action could be going to. It could possibly come down and meet the 50 simple moving average, possibly get a bounce there. But of course, still have to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing, because that could affect altcoin markets. Now, that's the bullish case scenario. If the daily candle close actually can close above this bottom trend line, then I can just count this wick right here as a one-off sporadic movement. But if it actually starts closing below the bottom trend line, I'll be more pessimistic. And it could possibly come down to the 50 daily moving average before a decision point on whether this is going to bounce or is it going to keep continuing downwards to about 20K. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. So first of all, the 50 simple moving average key resistance. If that does not hold, then there's going to be, I think, the 12-hour and the 6 hours down there before coming down to test 20K. That is my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today for YFI. You guys let me know what you think. Hope you guys found this post helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.